When you're making a list, it is easier on our eyes if you do something distinctive like put bullet points in front of them or dashes. And in most software packages, now I use Google Documents for most of my writing. Most packages will have a way to turn something right into a bullet pointed list. There it is. Click. And it doesn't quite line up, so you sort of click around until it works. And there are options here. I could have gone to fancy bullet lists with indentations or little square pointy things and such, but that's very complicated. And I want you to use a numbered list only if a number makes sense. If you're giving me the steps for some instructions and they've got to come in order, yeah, give me the number so I know what order. Thank you. There they are. Sometimes it can be hard to get something out of a numbered list. I just discovered that I just re-click over there and it works, so I'm going to take it. Dogs, cats, mice, rats, turtles, fish, iguanas, and bats.